Have you got wet boots or gloves? Are they smelly? Do you make your boots wet and smelly on a regular basis? Fret not, my friends, the Alpenheat compact dryer is here to save your day. Now, if by any chance you've watched our video on the universal dryer of the same brand, you may have heard me having a bit of a moan at the Bikerheadz guys for basically not telling me these things existed. Cheers. Anyway, let's move on to this compact dry. It does what it says, basically. It will dry your boots, possibly your shoes or your gloves or anything else that you can kind of fit over one of these rather nifty arms here, which have an extension function like thusly so. Quick side note, if you want to drop the arm back down, there is a button right there, which you push in, which drops that, and then there is a little kind of pushy type button thing here, which you pull, and it drops it back down there. Now then, the great thing about this, apart from being compact, which means you can, take it with you if you're going on holiday or something like that, as in not on a bike maybe, but perhaps a walking holiday somewhere, is that it will dry your boots and gloves in up to about 2 hours maximum. And that's kind of lucky because you can time this with the timer for about 2 hours, or 120 minutes, which is 2 hours, isn't it? I think it is. I think I learned that at school. It must still be the same, right? The heat on this model is not adjustable, but fret not. It doesn't go above what one would consider roughly body temperature, which is 37 degrees, and that is enough with the moving through air to dry absolutely everything. And it's pretty much best you don't force dry leather anyway, other it goes all crackly and nasty. One little thing about this which I absolutely love is this button here, and that is for the Ionic Control, which might sound like some kind of propulsion drive from Star Trek. In fact, it probably was, getting sidetracked Benjamin Stott. But what it really actually does is the smelly I mentioned earlier, makes it go away. Bye-bye smelly, toodaloo. And also it kills 99.99% of bacteria. Dead, bloody dead. Perfect. Now, of course, a boot has suddenly appeared here upon my right. So let's lift an arm up like that. Let's get that going, and as you will see, you simply slot on your boot, and away you go. And now, by the magic of video, a glove has appeared upon my left. So let's pop one of them on here. Now, it's very unlikely that you're going to have one wet boot and one dry boot, but hey, stranger things have happened. But you just pop that on, and there you go. Press the button, set the timer, go have a cup of tea, do whatever you need to do, and when it's done, your clothing will be dry, not smelly, far less hazardous to your health, and ready to go. Now, there are some other booty, glovey drying options which are available if you look on the website, which is pretty handy because if you want to know more about the compact dry, that's where you need to go, bikerheadz.co.uk.